Before you grab another clove, you need to hear this. This tiny spice sitting in your kitchen can either support your health or slowly work against it, depending on how you use it. And here's the surprising truth. Most people are using cloves the wrong way. They assume that because cloves are natural, more must be better. But when it comes to cloves, more is often the mistake. Today we're breaking down what makes cloves so powerful, the two biggest mistakes people make, and how to use cloves safely so they help, not harm, your body. If you care about digestion, immunity, or overall wellness, this is one video you don't want to skip. Cloves may be small, but they're extremely concentrated. Their power comes from a natural compound called eugenol. Eugenol is what gives cloves their strong aroma, warm, spicy flavor, and their traditional use in oral care and digestion. This compound has been studied for its antimicrobial and soothing properties, but power always comes with responsibility. Think of cloves like a strong herbal extract, not a casual seasoning. That's where most people go wrong. Mistake number one is taking too many cloves. People think if one clove is good, 5 must be better. But that logic backfires. Because eugenol is so potent, taking large amounts regularly can irritate your stomach lining, increase sensitivity in the digestive tract, interfere with normal blood clotting, and place extra stress on the liver over time. Some people even report nausea, dizziness, or digestive discomfort. Not because cloves are bad, but because they were used aggressively instead of intelligently. The safer approach. For most people, 1 to 2 whole cloves per day is plenty. That small amount is enough to support digestion, freshen breath, and provide gentle antimicrobial support. More than that does not mean more benefits. Mistake number 2 is overpowering clove tea. This is extremely common. People boil a handful of cloves for long periods until the water turns dark and intensely spicy. What they end up with isn't wellness tea. It's digestive irritation in a cup. Strong boiling extracts too much eugenol too quickly, making the drink harsh, acidic, and difficult on the stomach. That's why some people experience burning sensations, nausea, or stomach discomfort after drinking clove tea. The better method, instead of boiling aggressively, use 2 to 3 whole cloves. Pour hot, not violently boiling water over them. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then drink slowly. This gentler method still gives you the benefits without overwhelming your system. When used correctly and moderately, cloves can support digestion by reducing gas and heaviness, oral freshness due to their natural antimicrobial properties, immune balance, especially during seasonal changes. The key word here is support, not cure, not miracle. Cloves work best as part of a balanced routine, not as a shortcut or extreme remedy. Some people should be especially careful with cloves. Those taking blood-thinning medications, people with sensitive stomachs, anyone with existing liver concerns. If you fall into these categories, moderation matters even more. Natural doesn't automatically mean harmless. Dose always matters. Cloves are powerful, but they're not casual. Used correctly, small amounts, gentle preparation, consistent moderation, they can be a helpful part of a wellness routine. Used incorrectly, too much, too strong, too often, they can quietly work against your body instead of supporting it. If this video helped you rethink how you use cloves, save it, share it, and subscribe for more science-backed, common-sense wellness tips. Because when it comes to natural remedies, how you use them matters more than what you use.